Where do you actually find affiliates for your SaaS company? The honest answer is that your first affiliates come from 3 different places: your own customers, your own website, and direct outreach to people who your audience already trusts. I'm Luis from FirstPromoter, and in today's lesson, we'll learn more about how to recruit affiliates and how to keep them active. Let's start. Before you recruit anyone, make your program worth joining. An affiliate promotes your product if the math adds up for them. So the offer matters more than anything else. The strongest offer a SaaS company can make is a recurring commission. You pay your affiliates every month the customers stay subscribed, not just once. This lines up the reward with the thing you care about most. The customer stays with you for a long period. So what should you actually offer? Most successful SaaS programs sit at 20-30% recurring commission. That's the range affiliates recognize and take seriously. One suggestion though, consider limiting the commission to the first 12 months for each customer. Your affiliates still earn recurring commissions, which keeps the offer attractive, but because the earnings on anyone eventually stop in 12 months in this case, they stay motivated to keep promoting your product. Here's the campaign we built last time. And everything an affiliate needs lives in one place: their referral link, their stats, and their payouts, all in the affiliate portal we set up. When the offer is clear and the tools are simple, joining is an easy yes. Now let's set up the front door of your affiliate program, which is the affiliate sign-up page. That is what someone sees when they land and decide whether to apply or not. Keep it simple and clear about what you offer. You can see it from here. The sign-up page also does quiet work for you. It screens. I would suggest to add 2 or 3 custom fields and ask the questions that tell you who's applying. In my case, I asked 2 additional questions. As you can see here, how do you plan to promote our website and what's the size of your audience? The answers tell you in seconds whether someone's a fit. One setting matters more than people expect. Keep manual approval on. So here, as you can see, we have auto-approve new promoters. I have it disabled. Approving every affiliate by hand sounds indeed kinda slow. And it's exactly what keeps a program clean. You decide who represents your brand, and you cache the applications that don't add up before they even get a link. A few seconds per application saves you from fraud and refunds later. A new affiliate should be able to promote your product in their first 10 minutes. If they have to design something before they start, most never will. So, our suggestion here is to give them everything ready to go. Upload your banners, product shots, and copy they can paste straight into a post, all in the assets section. The less they have to make, the sooner they start sending you customers. We have a content kit, we have some tips and tricks, and of course the brand assets, which is really important. Great, you have the assets already set up. Then set a welcome email that fires the moment you approve someone. Put their link in it, point them to the assets, and give them one clear first step. That first email turns an approval into actual action. Okay, here is the email. You can see the trigger is promoter accepted. And here in emails, you will see the content of this email. We have some tags that are automatically filled for each of the promoters that are sent to. So the promoter first name, the referral link, the login link, and of course, the link to their assets section, so they can find anything they need there. Great, now that the program's ready, let's go find those first affiliates. We'll start with the easiest source, and it's one most people walk right past: your own customers. Your best first customers are already paying you. They know the product already, they use it every week, and their recommendation is credible in a way no ad ever is. When they tell someone the tool is worth it, people really believe them. Here's a trick. Many customers would never call themselves an affiliate. That word feels like marketing for them, so don't use it. Frame it as refer a friend. Same program, but a warmer invitation. You can either share your sign-up link directly with them, for example through your email tools. Keep it short and friendly. A customer who recommends you converts better than any cold traffic you could buy. So this is the first place to look every time. Or you can, even better, you can automate the whole thing. Add a refer a friend button inside your product. Connect it to our API. So when a customer clicks it, the affiliate account is created automatically and they get the referral link on the spot. No forms, no waiting, no manual approval to slow them down, because you don't need to manual approve your already existing customers. First tool is your own website. A dedicated page on your website, a link in the footer, and a link inside the product. Here's our own affiliate program page as an example. People who already like you will find it and apply on their own. The third source is direct outreach, and this is where you go and find the bigger affiliates. Think about who already talks to your audience: bloggers, newsletter writers, YouTubers, and creators in your own space. The hidden gem is people selling complementary products. Your tool doesn't compete with theirs, so it helps the same audience. The pitch is easy. You're making their product more useful. One rule to outreach: keep it personal and specific. Name the actual things they made, tell them the commission, and give them the sign up link. Nobody answers a template, and a generic mass email gets you nowhere. Send 10 thoughtful messages instead of 100 lazy ones. Great, now the payoff. Let's approve your first affiliates. Here you can see the pending promoters, read them against your screening questions and approve the ones that fit. I'll approve this one for now. Let's take another one. I'll reject this one. And that's it. Welcome email just went out with their link and their asset. Let me show you. You can see here, it's already sent. So now they can start promoting. However, one thing to keep in mind: you don't have to approve everyone, and you shouldn't. The wrong affiliates bring you more refunds and fraud than actual revenue. So in this case, it's alright to be picky. Approve the ones who fit. It's about the quality of the affiliates, not about the quantity. Okay, let's recap. You built a program worth joining, a sign-up page that screens for you, and the welcome email that provides the affiliates with all the details they need to know at the beginning. Then you went out and found your first affiliates in 3 different places: your customers, your website, and direct outreach. One habit to leave you with: email your affiliates every now and then. Affiliates who never hear from you quietly stop promoting your product. A short update every few weeks will keep them active. And to be honest with you, recruiting is ongoing. This is how you start, not where you finish. Okay, that's a program with its first affiliates inside it. The next lesson is about paying the affiliates, either manually or automatically. The link to start is below, and please subscribe if you want to catch it. I'm Luis. See you next time.